Welcome back to my channel. It's Mary Z Easy Recipe. Today I'm going to make a shot of pomegranate and which is flavored by this special herb called rosemary. Rosemary is really a very versatile herb. You can use it in many other forms, garnishing. And now today, look, I'm going to use it in a pomegranate shot. So rosemary is known to be, it is believed to help with, general well-being. It is believed to help with cognitive health. And pomegranate is also believed to help with gut health and heart health. So come with me as I blend. These two are really compatible. You can blend rosemary together with the pomegranate. So this is what we are doing today. We are going to blend the rosemary and pomegranate. When we blend them, then finally we are going to sieve and obtain a shot. We are going to have this juice in shots, in just a little amount at a time. So here in the blender here, I've just put about 500 ml of water. So it's time now to do the blending. We just blend them together. If you want, you can do them separately, then blend again. But I'm going just to blend them together. So here we go. Rosemary and pomegranate shots. This is what you are making. And the result is improves our well-being, good for gut health, good for gut and heart health. And these are really good, this is a really good combination. So let's blend, and then afterwards we are going to sieve and then enjoy our shots of pomegranate and rosemary. There's a quick blend. I can see there's a little bit of particles lingering there. It doesn't matter. So what we are going to do is we are going to sieve. So that's our shots for today, pomegranate shots. So let's sieve this and see what happens. We are going to sieve now. So it's sieving time now. We need to see what is going on. So we need to sieve this. This one here. And then we sieve. So the aroma of the rosemary and the flavor of the pomegranate. Oh, look at the juice. It is looking extra red. The pinkish red, a really beautiful color. So this is our rosemary, which is blended together with the pomegranate. Wow, awesome. So sieving, all is done. Now we need to to have the shot, we are going to enjoy this shot. Let's enjoy this shot. Let's enjoy the shot. So this is our pomegranate and rosemary shot. So we are going to taste this. Wow, let's taste it. Just have in small quantities. So let's see how it tastes. It tastes so good. I can taste the flavor of rosemary herb, and I can also, you know, like together they've infused into this so yummy, delicious, refreshing taste. Wow, just try it. It is really good. Rosemary and pomegranate, good for the general health. Good for the gut health. Good. It is believed, they say, people say, rosemary helps with, you know, improving our cognitive function. So just try it. You never know. So I'm really enjoying this shot. So nice. I can't help having a second shot. Please, guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have enjoyed watching the making of this incredible, refreshing pomegranate and rosemary juice.